So this is my egg. I'll be using the egg white. This is the pear. So I'll be taking some parts of the pear as a steamer. And this is my olive oil. Olive oil. So this is the mixture. So now it's time for my hair. So I've actually washed my hair before. So this is my natural hair. I don't know. I inherited this from my. See, I don't have front hair. I have hair. It's my natural hair. So I've already wet my hair because I've washed my hair and dried it. This is like 2 days after washing my hair. So I've already wet my hair. So I'll just start applying the product all over my hair. Then after applying it, I will cover it with a shower cap, steam for 30 minutes. So I'm done. I already covered my hair. Wait for 30 minutes. So I had to leave it for an extra 1 hour because this hair is supposed to be soft, but I wasn't seeing anything. Let me get my comb. So let me comb it though and see how my stress has worked. Should I come on? This hair is still hard. This hair is still hard though. Just says to give me this type of hair. It's still hard. Yeah, this is my first time in a long while. So maybe with time to be better. This is my hair. I'm done with my natural hair. You can see it's choppered.